Your phone used to charge from 0 to full in under an hour. Now, it is sitting at 45% after 2 hours on the charger, and you have no idea what changed. Today, we are fixing this completely. I'm going to show you exactly how to reactivate your fast charging protocols inside your battery settings that system updates silently turn off without telling you. Then I'm going to show you how to identify and clear a hidden hardware block inside your charging port that completely kills your charging speed. 2 fixes, 1 video. Let us get your phone charging fast again. Welcome back to Gen 2 Solutions. Slow charging is one of those problems that sneaks up on you gradually, and most people just accept it without realizing there is a simple fix sitting right inside their phone. I am using a Samsung phone to demonstrate this, but these steps apply to all Android devices. Let us start with the software fix, because this is the one that catches most people completely off guard. Every time your Android receives a major system update, it sometimes resets your battery settings back to their default values. And the default on many phones is standard slow charging, not fast charging. So your fast charging was working perfectly, and then an update quietly switched it off without any notification whatsoever. Here's how to turn it back on. First, make sure your phone is completely unplugged from the charger before we begin. This is important because these toggles cannot be changed while your phone is actively charging. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. On other Android phones, look for Battery in your settings and tap on it. Tap on Charging Settings or More Battery Settings depending on your device. Look for the toggles that say Fast Charging and Super Fast Charging. If either of these is switched off, turn them both on right now. Plug your charger back in and watch the difference immediately. Your phone should begin drawing power significantly faster than before, and your charging speed should return to what it was when your phone was brand new. Now, if turning those toggles back on did not fully solve the problem, the second cause is something most people would never think to check. If your Android is already starting to charge faster and you can feel the difference, take 1 second to hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Gen 2 Solutions family so you never miss our daily Android optimization secrets. Your Android has a built-in safety sensor inside the USB-C charging port that constantly monitors for moisture, dust, and lint. The moment this sensor detects anything inside the port, it automatically disables fast charging to prevent a short circuit from damaging your battery or your phone. This is a genuine safety feature, but it can be triggered by everyday things like pocket lint building up inside the port over weeks of use. Look closely at your charging port with a light. If you can see lint or debris packed inside, take a wooden or plastic toothpick and very gently remove it. Never use anything metal because metal can scratch the contacts inside the port and cause permanent damage. Be gentle and patient and remove as much visible debris as you can. If your phone was recently near water or you charged it in a humid environment, let the port air dry completely before charging again. Even small amounts of moisture inside the port trigger the safety sensor and reduce your charging speed silently. Once your port is clean, restart your phone with the charger plugged in. This restart clears any cached moisture warning that the sensor was still holding onto, even after the port dried out. Your phone will boot up, recognize a clean port, and immediately restore your full fast charging speed. Here is the complete picture of what we just fixed together. A system update had quietly switched off your fast charging toggles in your battery settings, and a buildup of lint or moisture in your charging port was triggering a hidden safety sensor that was throttling your speed. 2 completely different causes, 2 completely different fixes. Both solved in under 5 minutes using nothing but your built-in settings and a toothpick. And if you want to make sure your fully charged device is completely safe from digital threats, our next video shows you a secret code you can type directly into your phone right now to instantly check if your device has been hacked or compromised. That video is something every Android user needs to see, and the link is right there in the description. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, just comment it. I reply to every comment. Thank you for watching Gen 2 Solutions and see you in the next video.